Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, February 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I mean, we definitely have been going down a little bit the last few months here, but I am definitely very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think this right here is a wave one. I still think this is a wave two. I still think we're already in a wave three, and whatever we're seeing on sort of time frames is just a subdivision of that wave three. I expect this is going to go up to maybe the $2,500 area, and maybe even a lot higher than that. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I said, I think this is a one. I think this is an ABC of two. I think we're just in a subdivision of a wave three right now. I do kind of think that it's more likely that it will go down further before it goes up, and this is probably like a one of three, a two of three, and eventually it will make that wave three of wave three. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it's actually a little easier to see this on the 4 hour, but one, two, three waves down, one, two, three waves up. I think this is one, two, three waves down. I think we're forming a WXY pattern, which, like I said, I think is easier to see on the 4 hour, and I do believe that this is going to be probably a Fibonacci bounce off either the 78 or the 88%. Like I said, probably a one of three, a two of three, and a wave three of wave three. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if you zoom out enough so you can actually see this is where you can actually see what I'm talking about. One, two, three waves down. One, two, three waves up. WX. This is definitely a trend right here. I think that's an A. I think we have a double zigzag for the wave B. ABC, X, ABC, double zigzag wave B, and now we're going down for what I believe to be a wave C, which I think needs to go down and take out these lows, which is why I said maybe the 88.5 is going to be the area where this ends at wave C of wave Y and ends up continuing the uptrend from there. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. A 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking for sorts. I'm kind of wondering if maybe we will pop up one more time before we pop down. Either way, just the reason why is because this does kind of look like five waves here. It does kind of look like three waves down. It might pop up to like the 61% before it does end up continuing the downtrend. So whether or not this is already under the correction here, or whether or not it's going to pop up one more time, either scenario, I'm definitely going to try to get short at the end of these pullbacks for what I think is a continuation of a wave C of wave Y, like I was explaining on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.